A winter trip is a wonderful fairy tale. It's snowing, the bonfire's burning, and you're sitting all frozen up in a tent thinking why you haven't gone somewhere to the tropical countries on your vacation. If you don't want to turn into the Snow Queen during your vacation, use this compilation of winter travel hacks. A loyal suitcase is a girl's best friend while traveling. Your sweaters and other warm clothes go straight into the suitcase. Don't forget winter medicines. Winter weather is dangerous. This is why you should take care of everything and take flu remedies in addition to the regular ones. Gather them in a separate Ziploc bag. And don't forget about a spare set of hat and gloves. Put an extra set into your suitcase. It won't take up loads of space. If you lose or get your gloves and hat wet, you will have the spare ones. On the other hand, a skirt and a dress are very unlikely to come in handy during your winter trip. No one goes skiing in a skirt. My knees may freeze up, so I'd rather not take up extra space in the suitcase. But what if my suitcase gets dirty, damaged, or what's worse, I won't be able to recognize it in a pile of other black suitcases. And it'll wait for its owner all alone at the station. I won't let it happen. I'm going to make a suitcase cover. Take an old sweater you don't wear anymore and pull it onto your suitcase. Cut off the sleeves. Turn the sweater inside out and hot glue the sleeve holes. Then, decorate the cover. Hot glue small pom-poms in a heart shape. My luggage will definitely stand out from the crowd with a cover like this, and a bulky suitcase turns into a colorful accessory. During my trip, I get new friends and was invited to a party. I go to the party wearing what I have in my suitcase, a warm sweater and pants. Oh dear, now I regret not having taken a skirt or a dress with me. My outfit is not really perfect for a party, unless it's a party for oversized skiers. It's okay. I can always say that my suitcase was mixed up at the airport. When I travel next time, I will definitely take a skirt or a dress with me, just in case. It's not fun to be lost during your trip, and to be lost and cold is twice as no fun. Hurry up, call your friends so that they can find you. Use hands-free if you don't want your hands to turn into icicles while you're holding your phone. Your hands will be warm and your friends will find you within minutes. We have downloaded map apps to our phones, but phone batteries are so unpredictable in winter. They run low when you least expect it. Take a portable power bank so that your phone doesn't turn off all of a sudden. Remember not to leave it in your suitcase. Put the power bank in your backpack. As a matter of fact, a phone runs low 2 times faster in winter. Be ready! It's so good to be in a comfy tent in the forest. Some winter magic, and voila, your dreams come true. A whole forest has grown up around us as in a fairy tale. Spruce trees, snowbanks, a bonfire, and snow right into my friend's boots. And how should we dry them up? It's easy. Take a long shoe dryer when you go on a winter trip. It will dry your wet boots quickly, and you won't get a runny nose. You're dreaming, my friend. We are in a forest, in a tent. What do you want to plug an electric shoe dryer into? A tree hollow? There is only one shoe dryer available. A bonfire. Watch out, don't burn your shoelaces. The boots are getting dry, but my friend's got one more life hack. She takes out water-repelling spray. Apply it to your boots and wear them dry throughout your trip. We enjoy sitting near a bonfire, drinking cocoa, and eating marshmallows. Winter was created specifically for this. I feel the taste of happiness on my lips. Moreover, I feel the taste of snow, cold, and chapped lips. Your lips need special treatment during winter time. My friend suggests making a special soft lip balm. Grate beeswax on a fine grater. Melt it in a microwave. Add some honey. Put in eyeshadow for a rich color. Add a few drops of coconut oil. Put in vitamin E and mix it using a wooden stick. Pour it into an empty lipstick container. Refrigerate. When the lipstick gets solid, draw a snowflake on it with a toothpick. Melt cocoa butter and mix it with blue food coloring. Pour it over the snowflake. When it hardens, snip off the top layer using a knife. Apply a soft lip balm to your chapped lips. It's great protection. You may even kiss a snowman safely wearing this balm on your lips. Is it cold outdoors and hot near the bonfire? Remember about our next life hack when you get dressed. Remember to wear a few layers of your clothes in winter. In this way, you won't get cold when it's cold outdoors. At the same time, you can take one piece of clothing off when you get hot to be comfortable. You won't get too hot or too cold. The bonfire faded away. My friend went to get some firewood, and I'm sitting in a tent all alone, covered in snow and freezing. Don't turn your winter vacation into the Frozen audition. My friend comes back with firewood and finds a snowman inside of the tent instead of her friend. It's time to warm it up. Wrap the snowman into a blanket. A little better. It can turn into a human again. Take the icy hat off and put on a hood. It'll keep you warm when it's cold. And if you're up to a ski outing, use a gaiter to protect your neck, nose, and ears. Take a piece of soft fabric and fold it in half. Hot glue the ends to make a tube. Turn it right side out. Firstly, put it on as a hat. It will also work. Then, pull it over your head, up to your nose. A ninja-style vacation? Not bad. Take out your hair and put on your hat. It is almost impossible to catch the flu with the gaiter. Take your skis and go ahead. Enjoy winter sports. Oops! I should have made a protecting mask for my whole body, and not only for my head. To tell the truth, the reason why I have fallen into a snowbank is not that I'm a bad skier, it's because the sun is blinding my eyes. In order to look like a pro on ski slopes, don't forget to take your sunglasses on your winter trip. They'll protect you from snow blindness, and even if you fall, no one will recognize you in that ski ninja outfit. To verify your identity and not to lose your phone, tickets, and other documents, keep them in a small belt bag. As a result, all your necessities will always be within easy reach, even on a ski slope. The only problem, you may reach it faster than a mobile network. My phone is ringing. I've been dreaming. Oh gosh, I'm on vacation. Get some earplugs if you don't want any unnecessary sounds to annoy you during your sleep. Just put them into your ears and enjoy your cat nap. Right up to the moment when my active friend runs to me. What does this ski ninja want? My friend gets upset because I don't pick up when she calls. Sorry, I've been sleeping with the plugs in my ears. Even if Johnny Depp phoned me, I wouldn't hear, so don't worry. I like riding a bicycle very much, but it's a bad idea to go for a cycle ride in the winter. You can easily find yourself in a snowbank before you know it. What should I do? I'm calling my friend for a piece of advice. She knows one life hack. Use cable ties in order to get your bicycle tires prepared for winter. Attach a cable tie to the tire and tie it up. Cut off the excess. Glazed frost is just a piece of cake to me with this bicycle. I can easily ride along snow-covered trails. The most pleasant part after a trip is taking a stroll down memory lane of the wonderful vacation. Oh, unfortunately it has come to an end so quickly, but my friend knows how to make my vacation joy last longer. She's made a travel book for me. Take a spiral notebook. Prepare appropriate scrapbook cutouts. To age the pictures, scratch the edges with a blade. Glue the cutouts to the notebook cover. Fold the corners inside. Decorate the cover with a handmade sticker so that everyone knows it's a DIY. Write travel on a thick piece of cardboard. Cut out the letters. Paint each letter in a different color. Embellish some of them with glitter. Hot glue the letters to the notebook cover. Attach an envelope for postcards and photos to the inside of the notebook. Write the year when you began your diary on the first page. Decorate it. Put some memorable things from your trips into the diary. You can gather all your photos, postcards, tickets, maps, and travel notes in this notebook. Be sure you won't forget anything with it. If you have a hankering to relive your vacation, just look through the pages of your diary. It's all about enjoying your trip. Write in your comments how you get ready for winter vacation. Which of our life hacks have come in handy? Don't forget to give your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell not to miss something interesting.